Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted photos from your iPhone. Sounds a bit crazy, right? But if you've lost some of your photos or videos, you can recover them totally for free, and it works like crazy. It is super easy to do, totally for free. It doesn't even take like 5 minutes to do it. All right, so you must try it. All right, so here we are on my phone. I'm going to show you how it works on my phone and how you can do it as well. Do not skip the video, do not miss anything, because if you do, it might not work. All right, we're going to go ahead and go to my home screen and go to the Photos app, and we're going to go to recently deleted right here. And as you can see, there's nothing in here. All right, I'm going to show you my screen right here. You can see there's nothing in here, but when I click that little icon on the top, some of the photos, they came back. I just deleted these and they are back. Now from here you can check these photos out, or you can recover or delete them again, but you can recover them anytime you want. All right, so this is amazing. All right, we're going to go back to the home screen, going to go to the browser, any browser that you use, and I'm going to go to Safari and search for this website called ogplug.net. all right, we're going to search for it. We're going to go to this website, and in here you can find it and you can download it totally for free. All right, let it load for a little bit. We're going to scroll down a little bit, just like that. We're going to go to the top again and go to the games menu right here. Let that load for a little bit. You can discover a lot of things in here. All right, these are some of the games you can get from this website, and there are some apps as well. We're going to go to that as well, and just give it a few seconds to load. And here we are. These are the apps. We're going to go back to the Discover menu and search for iRecovery. It's taking a while, maybe because of the internet connection. I don't know. But guys, it is super easy. Just give it a few seconds. Just give it a few more seconds and it should be there right there. And here you go. Oh, all right. Here is the app that you need to download. Click that and go to this page and click download. Here on the top there's a download button. You have to click that and it will start to download. If you want to read the description, it's totally fine, but in here you are going to click that download button right next to the app, and it's going to start to process. And it is only 50 MBs. It might take like 15 to 20 seconds maybe, depending on your internet connection. Mine is a bit slow, but listen, it works. All right, so we can make that time happen. All right, no problem. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because this stuff is crazy. And comment down below if you liked it and it works for you or not. All right, so it is almost more than halfway there. We're just gonna give it a few seconds to have it completed. Just give it a few more seconds. All right, guys, this is amazing. All right, just wait and watch. I'm going to show you once again how it works. All right, there's one more important step that you don't want to miss, because there's a short verification that you have to complete sometimes only due to high traffic. Sometimes you have to go to this page and complete this short verification here. On this page, it will tell you to download some of the apps and interact with them. Please complete 2 of the offers below and follow the instructions fully. Once completed, our recovery app will get installed to your device. Now, sometimes because of the high traffic on the website, you have to verify by interacting with some of these apps and completing a few offers, which is totally easy. All right, but not always. All right, I've already done it, so I'm gonna go back and show you once again how you can recover them. All right, and my photos are still there. Like, we're on the recently deleted app, recently deleted folder, and all of my photos that I deleted recently, they're still there, and you can select any of these and recover them as well, or you can delete them again, because you're gonna get them back anyway. So that is all for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one, but till then, try that.